video, we are showing how influencers can apply for campaigns in our app. Open Micromatching app, click on Register button and select Register as an influencer. After this, fill up your information like your name, your phone number, your valid email. Click Verify and you get OTP on your email and set password. After this, fill up your profile details like username, bio, and select your country, select your province, select your city, and click Terms and Condition and click on Submit button. After login, verify your KYC. Then click Social Media page, add your Facebook link, add your Instagram ID, and add your TikTok ID, and click Submit button. First of all, choose any one campaign and apply for campaign. After this, brand are approved your request and you can upload your proof. Step 1. Your social media post link and screenshot. Step 2. Your social media reel. Step 3. Upload your social media video. And last step, you upload your story screenshot and click Submit Proof button. And you can update your proof before approval. After this, brand accept your all-prof. You fill up your campaign insights, like how many people are seeing your post, your reel, your video and story, and your account reached or interaction. Note, brands have approved your request according to the provided data, and click on Submit button. Brand or approve your campaign insights, you can send request for amount withdraw. And last, admin can approve your request, then amount are credit in your wallet. For more information, join our channel now.